Hello my dear little ones. Welcome back to our today's mathematics class. Today's first activity. How do we check whether 3 is a factor of a number? The numbers with 3 as a factor are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Find their digital roots. That means when we find the sum of digits in a number, we will get the digital root of that number. Find the digital roots of other numbers for which 3 is a factor.
If the digital root is a multiple of 3, such as 3, 6, 9, then the number is divisible by 3.
Similarly, what is the digital root of the numbers for which 9 is a factor? The digital root will be 9. Children, look at this textual activity. For each number in the table below, put tick mark for factor and cross mark if not a factor. First number is 12. 2 and 3 are the factors of 12, but 5, 9 and 10 are not the factors of 12. Next number is 35. The digit in the ones place of 35 is 5. So, 5 is a factor of 35. 2 and 10 are not the factors of 35. Next, we have to find the digital root of 35. That is 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3 and 9. So, 3 and 9 are not the factors of 35. Next number is 30. The digit in its ones place is 0. So, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 30. Next find its digital root. That is 3 plus 0 equals 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. So, 3 is the factor of 30. 3 is not a multiple of 9. So, 9 is not the factor of 30. Next number is 55. The digit in its ones place is 5. So, 5 is the factor of 55. But 2 and 10 are not the factors of 55. Then its digital root, that is 5 plus 5 equals 10. Next, find the sum of digits in 10, that is 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 is not a multiple of 3 and 9. So, 3 and 9 are not the factors of 55. Next number is 60. The digit in its ones place is 0. So, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 60. Next, find the digital root of 60, that is 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, so 3 is the factor of 60. But 6 is not a multiple of 9, so 9 is not the factor of 60. Next number is 215. The digit in its ones place is 5. So 5 is the factor of 215. 2 and 10 are not the factors of 215. Next, find its digital root, that is 2 plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3 and 9. So, 3 and 9 are not the factors of 215. Next number is 240. The digit in its ones place is 0. Therefore, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 240. Then find its digital root, that is 2 plus 4 plus 0, which is equal to 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. So, 3 is the factor of 240. But 6 is not a multiple of 9. So, 9 is not the factor of 240. Next number is 316. The digit in its ones place is 6. So, 2 is the factor of 316. 5 and 10 are not the factors of 316. Then let's find its digital root, that is 3 plus 1 plus 6, which is equal to 10. Again, find the sum of digits of 10, that is 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. 1 is not a multiple of 3 and 9. So, 3 and 9 are not the factors of 316. Children, did you understand this? Okay, fine. Let's move to the next topic. Prime numbers and composite numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? The numbers having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. These numbers are not divisible by numbers other than 1 and the number itself. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. The factors of 2 equals 1 and 2. The factors of 3 equals 1 and 3. The factors of 5 equals 1 and 5. Here all these numbers have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Next, composite numbers. What do you mean by composite numbers? The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. These numbers are divisible by other numbers in addition to 1 and the number itself. Examples of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. The factors of 4 equals 1, 2 and 4. The factors of 6 equals 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 8 equals 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next activity, find the prime numbers from 1 to 50. At first, write the numbers from 1 to 50 in an order. Then strike off the number 1, which is neither a prime nor a composite, because the number 1 has only one factor, that is 1. Therefore, the number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Next, keeping 2, strike off all the multiples of 2. That means strike off all the even numbers other than 2. Next, keeping 3, strike off all the multiples of 3. That means strike off 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, 39 and 45. Next, keeping 5, strike off all the multiples of 5 which are not striken off. Therefore, strike off 25 and 35. Next, keeping 7, strike off all the multiples of 7. Here, all the multiples of 7 except 49 are already striken off. Then strike off 49. The remaining numbers are prime numbers. So we can write that the prime numbers from 1 to 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Children, these are the important points to remember. That is, 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is the smallest prime number, 2 is the only even prime number, and 4 is the smallest composite number. Children, did you understand today's activities? Okay, fine. You have to practice all these activities very well. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.